Hello guys, so here is a Hot Wheels figure 8 raceway that I have bought for my son, and this is what the raceway is supposed to be looking like. It is unassembled, so you do have to assemble it. It does include one vehicle. This is it. I guess the vehicles vary because not every Hot Wheel 8 raceway comes with the same vehicle. As I saw, my son really likes blue, so we got the blue one. So it does include one vehicle, and it does require 2D outline batteries, which are not included, and you do have to purchase them separately. So here's that. It does say 5 to 10 years old, although my son is a bit younger. I feel like and yes, he drew on the walls because we love to draw, and so we bought it for him, and he loves it. So like I said, 5 to 10, but my son loves Hot Wheels, and so we bought it for this. Yeah. We're gonna have fun building it? Yeah, let's do it. Do it. Monster truck. Wow. Arată! Wow! Go, Booby!